Have you ever had to call an IT professional for help with your computer? Or wondered how to strengthen the security of online systems? If you want to get into a booming industry that's an essential element of every company, IT certification can be your passport to a new career with great earning potential. Here's where you start. You can get your CompTIA A certification starting today. Ed2Go's internationally recognized IT certification makes you an attractive candidate for a career in all kinds of companies. By the end of the course, you'll be ready to take the certification exams to qualify as an IT technician. And you'll do it all online, at your own pace, with a facilitator who will provide one-on-one interaction by answering questions and providing feedback on your performance. Ed2Go offers everything you need to succeed. Ed2Go gives you the flexibility to move ahead at your own pace, whether you have a full-time job, you're at home with kids, or you're looking to get back to work. You can enroll at any time, so start your new career as a certified IT technician today.